we are going to be reviewing My Little Pony Squishy Pops. And today our special guest star is Applewhite. I know her hair's a mess, but I just reviewed her, so yeah. And I'm sorry if you guys hear like cars going by. We're in the Four Season room, so yeah. And who got me these? My grandma. She is so awesome because I really wanted this, and she got it for me. So yeah. So let's get started. What should I open first, Mom?
Your bracelet.
Okay. First, we're opening this, and yes, my mom is filming, so she's not going to be in this one either. Well, I'll barely open these. Okay. So, this is what we get in our bracelet. There's like, I don't know how to open these because I've never gotten one of these, so I don't know. And I guess this is our Squishy Pop right here, and you can take her in and out of it and stuff, so I'm just probably back in. And it comes with this, and then it comes with a little bead, so blue is like definitely for Rainbow Dash. And this little charm has a cutie mark on it where you can all connect into the bracelets. So there's that. Cool. And then also my grandma got me this. This is another Squishy Pop, but this one doesn't come with a bracelet. This one just comes with a Squishy Pop and a bead. So, oh, and a charm. Yeah. I knew that. I totally knew that. So first I will show you Applejack Squishy Pop. See that? It's awesome. And basically, you can just pop her in. Come on, let me get her in. Sorry guys. If I can. So basically it's like that. Applejack. Yeah, Applejack. Sorry, I'm not really good at this. Basically, you put it back on. Oh, and then her little Applejack cutie mark. And her bead. And her bead, sorry. My mom's telling me to go up and down so they can see it. And yeah, this is just not very much. And there's these little blind bags basically. You can get either one of these basically, and they're just like little circles, they're plastic, and they're pink, and they'll have like Squish Pops on them. Now we are gonna open the Squishy Pops like playset. I don't know, just yeah. It was like $9.99 at Toys R Us in the My Little Pony section. So yeah, we paused the video and my mom unscrewed it because it was like screwed at the bottom, which is really cheesy. So yeah, and it already comes with a little Pinkie Pie. So yeah, if I could get her off, I will. There's a little Pinkie Pie nabbage, so you know, yeah. Oh, so professional, so professional. Wow, so professional. That was like an epic fail. Okay, something is like wrong. Are you serious? Okay, I was gonna say, the plastic screwed down? Wow. Okay, I don't know how to work this. That's so professional! What the heck is wrong with me? I don't know. I've been weird all day, and there goes my dog. I don't know how to work the thing right now, so, you know, I'm just gonna set that aside. Okay, so what the box says you can do is like there's a little working elevator thingy, and like you turn this thing and it'll go up and down, if you can see that. And then you can put your little pony pop things right on these. Like, again, I'm not gonna do it. I probably should do it. Show you guys. Dash. There they are. And then you snap them off, and then they can have like a little chill party over here. And then, if I can Sorry, Papa was watching my grandfather was watching TV. So then you can like hang your little, like keychains like that. I'm like thinking it's like ice cream or a cupcake because it's supposed to be Pinkie Pie. So let's see if this little elevator works. Oh gosh, it's just something like broke. I don't know what happened. So there she is. Oh well, this fell. Oh my gosh, this thing is so cheesy. I don't know, it's like broken. Hold on. Sorry guys. I am like sorry. Forget it. Okay, so there's Pinkie. Okay. Push this little lever or turn this little lever. I'm pushing it down. Yeah. Okay, it didn't go up. Hold on. Okay, it fell off. Wow. This thing won't go. I'm so sorry, guys. So sorry. I'm just gonna do it with Applejack. She sticks. I'm not. Okay. So, you get the picture. They'll just like go down the side like we slide. Yay, slide. I think I'm done with this video because this thing is getting on my nerves. I mean, I'll play with it still, but we're good.
So what kind of rating would you give this toy? On a scale from 1 to 5.
So this is what my mom's back saying. What should I rate this at? Well, Pony Pop bracelets and the charms, I would give that about a 9 or 10.
So a totally toy 9 or 10?
Yeah, for the little bracelets.
Okay.
Bracelets, yeah, because they're pretty cool. But this,
A totally toy review of...
about a 5, people. Because this thing is just like pieces are breaking off, and I don't know. This is really cheesy. The box, it was screwed like right under there. Screws are like not even working. But I mean, and look at, it's cute though. It's really cute. But it's just kind of cheesy. So I would give it a 5. If you really want to waste your money on this, I would be good with it. But if you really want it, I'd go with it. Just be careful with it. And, well, I guess I'm signing off. Subscribe.